You welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. There's a certain kind of magic that happens when an angelic iris unfurls its petals like a burst of color straight from the heavens. Known for its divine beauty and remarkable resilience, the angelic iris is one of those flowers that can turn even the simplest garden into a breathtaking masterpiece. For gardeners across the USA, this exquisite perennial brings both charm and serenity, blooming with grace and ease when nurtured with care. If you're a beginner eager to bring celestial color into your garden, this is your step-by-step guide to growing angelic iris and keeping it radiant year after year. The journey of growing angelic iris begins with understanding its natural rhythm. These perennials thrive in well-drained soil and love basking in full sunlight for at least 6 hours daily. They're remarkably hardy across most USDA zones, making them suitable for gardeners from California to New York. The first step is selecting healthy rhizomes, firm, plump, and free from mold. If you're planting seeds, patience is key, as germination can take several weeks, but the results are absolutely worth it. When preparing your planting site, choose a location with good air circulation. The soil should be slightly acidic to neutral, ideally with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. If your soil is clay-heavy, mix in compost or sand to enhance drainage. Angelic iris despises soggy roots. Plant the rhizomes horizontally, just below the soil surface, ensuring that part of the rhizome is slightly exposed to sunlight. This is crucial because burying it too deep can stunt its growth or cause rot. Space each plant about 12–18 inches apart to allow proper airflow and prevent disease spread. Watering is a delicate balance. During the growing season, water deeply once a week, letting the soil dry slightly between sessions. Overwatering can quickly lead to root rot, especially in humid climates. In hotter regions like Texas or Florida, mulching helps retain soil moisture, but make sure the mulch doesn't cover the rhizome itself. As fall approaches, reduce watering to help the plant enter dormancy naturally. Fertilizing the angelic iris is simple but strategic. Use a low nitrogen fertilizer such as 5–10–100 early in the spring when new growth begins. Then again right after flowering to support next season's blooms. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers, which can promote lush foliage at the expense of flowers. For organic gardeners, compost tea or well-rotted manure works wonderfully, enriching the soil and strengthening root development. Pruning plays an essential role in maintaining a vibrant display. Once the flowers fade, trim away spent blooms to encourage new buds and prevent seed formation, which can sap the plant's energy. In late fall, cut back the foliage to about 6 inches above the ground to prepare for winter. This helps reduce pest buildup and keeps your garden tidy. Winter care for angelic iris depends on your location. In warmer regions, a light mulch layer is sufficient protection. But in northern states with heavy frost, you add a thicker cover of straw or leaves to insulate the rhizomes. Come early spring, remove the mulch so sunlight can reach the roots, jump-starting fresh growth. Propagation of angelic iris is a joy for gardeners who love sharing plants. Every 3 to 4 years, divide the clumps to rejuvenate them. Carefully lift the rhizomes after flowering, separate the healthy ones, and replant them in fresh soil. Each division grows into a new blooming plant within a season, expanding your collection and keeping the original clump vigorous. Pests and diseases are rare but manageable. Watch out for iris borers, aphids, and fungal leaf spots. Regular inspection and good garden hygiene go a long way in prevention. Use neem oil or insecticidal soap for pests, and ensure proper spacing to reduce moisture buildup that encourages fungi. The Angelic Iris also plays beautifully with other garden companions. Pair it with peonies, daylilies, or lavender for a lush, contrasting display. These plants share similar sunlight and watering needs, creating a harmonious and colorful landscape that blooms from spring through early summer. Container gardening enthusiasts can also enjoy Angelic Iris indoors or on patios. Choose a deep, wide pot with excellent drainage and fill it with loamy, nutrient-rich soil. Place it where it receives bright sunlight and maintain moderate watering. Indoor irises can provide a touch of elegance to your living space, especially during colder months. One of the most fascinating traits of the Angelic Iris is its symbolic meaning. Across cultures, it represents wisdom, faith, and hope, qualities that resonate deeply with gardeners who see beauty in growth and patience. Its name, Angelic, truly fits, embodying the purity and grace it adds to any garden it graces. To ensure your Angelic Iris stays healthy for years, practice seasonal maintenance. Remove old foliage each year, refresh the soil every few seasons with compost, and never let weeds compete for nutrients. With care and consistency, these flowers will reward you with breathtaking displays of color, shades of violet, blue, white, and gold dancing in the breeze, as if heaven itself touched your garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your green journey, growing Angelic Iris is a rewarding experience that teaches patience and appreciation for natural beauty. With just a little effort, you'll enjoy blooms that captivate the heart and soul every spring. If you dream of bringing this angelic bloom into your garden, start today. Nurture it, care for it, and let its elegance inspire you. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more plant care inspirations.